So, we've got pretty much everything off that needs to be off. Starter cable. We got to undo it. We'll undo it from up there instead of down in the grease pit.
Yeah.
I went down there and I undid the trans mount and the speedo gear and the shift linkage.
Good.
So that's all done. So Xander and I just have to get the 2 motor mount bolts off, and then this thing's ready to jump out.
Tranny and all we're doing? One shot deal?
One shot. Boom, boom.
Gotcha.
It's going to make a hell of a mess. That's why we're doing it after lunch.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then we're going to get that out and go the fuck home.
Well, I'm going to try and push myself to get a little bit more done today.
Well, you've been doing a lot over here.
Well, it's been...
We'll get to
I kind of been going there and then going there and then come over here.
Yeah,
It's what happens when you're wanted. Okay, just saying.
Questionable.
Well, yeah, wanted for target practice maybe.
This condenser, which I don't think we had time to talk about it earlier. That's a little tired.
Yeah.
That's being nice.
Yeah, that's being really nice.
Um.
I'll tell you, I can't wait to make this undercarriage look pretty.
Yep. There's a lot of cleanup to do in here. But see how much easier it's going to be to get to the suspension with all this crap out of here? It is. I'm sorry, but it is. So, we have that.
You have to remember.
Unchristian-like places. We know.
Exactly. I can come up like this and twist bolts off with my fingers. You take ratchets to do the exact same thing I do.
To do what?
Shh. It's a secret.
Extra money?
Hey, $20 is $20. That's all I'm saying.
All right. I mean, so I got to go down there and get those 2 mount nuts off, and then we're done. It's ready to come out. Sweet. Xander, you hanging in there?
Kind of.
It's fucking hot and it sucks, huh?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's almost lunchtime.
Yes.
And it's going to be awesome lunch day today. Get your package out of there, Scotty. Jesus, that's not lunch.
Well, hey.
That's desserts for twins. Huh. Xander's like, God. And with that,